People that have fear of what's coming, what technology will do, and they don't understand technology as a tool. They see it as a threat. And I replace that T for a T. It's not a threat, it's a tool. A tool that will help you and me and everybody else to really do what we're meant to be, right? We don't use our brain to the capacity. We don't use our skills to capacity. We don't like to grow. We try for passive income. We want to be passive, right? Versus being active and being growing and be an entity that just provide to others. So when I look back, I say, okay, what do I have to do today to help? And I think AI is something that people need to get closer to, and not just to learn how to use it, is to understand and not fear it. Good mentors said not long ago, AI is not going to replace anybody. The people using AI are going to replace those that don't use it. So that's what we did at that seminar. And yes, we interacted with people of all levels of knowledge. So it shows that it's a problem that it can be solved and is a need. I see it as a need. So that's what we're doing the AIs now. But it's not for optimization of the businesses. It will bring a lot of equity to the businesses that use it. But it is to help people to understand that it's not a toy, that it's a tool. It's an RT right there. It is a tool that if it's used well, will help you to amp up your skills. It will help you to grow. It will help you to develop new ventures, new businesses. And then you're gonna have that nice journey ahead of you.
I'm sitting here today with a special guest, Miguel Villarreal. Miguel, you've closed over $3 billion in real estate transactions. Miguel is the regional vice president of the MVM Group here in Naples, Florida. When it comes to work for you and your work ethic and using AI, what would you say is the new model of work going forward?
First of all, it's a mindset shift. People don't work for me, they work with me. Technology works for me. I can control it. And it has a finite use. It's a beginning and end for the technology that we use, because tomorrow is another new technology, we can replace it. And we wiped out what we're doing and we start with a new one. So when we look at the AIs today, what are they doing? If you look at ChatGPT, ChatGPT started as a large language model that basically interacted in a very complex way, and you needed to learn how to prompt
Correct.
properly.
Yep. Which was very popular about 4 years ago in that space.
And I went out and took the Google class, and I got some of my employees to take it too. Let's learn how to talk to these things. What is it today? You need to give them a result that you want, and you let them do what they do well. Oh, interesting. So we're starting from a complex problem to the most simplistic way. You just tell me what you want. Now, if you look at Claude, for example, they're just basically leaning on their own systems to create the new models. So there's no human interaction. We're going to be just interacting with our voice and our eyes, the glasses and everything that is out there, and it's just getting developed more and more. We're experiencing an evolution of a technology that we didn't experience before. So that's a one-in-a-lifetime event. So why fight it? Why not adopting it, learning it, loving it?
What are the top 3 skills that you think are going to be the most valuable and impactful to have from today over the next, say, 10 years as we undergo this kind of technology AI revolution?
Communication being the most important one. You need to learn how to communicate well. AI, understanding of AI and AI implementation. No, just learn how to work with the change. So communication is one skill. AI knowledge, right? So be a steward of that particular aspect of life, because it's gonna shape the world today, and be adaptable. Learn when and how to pivot. It is very important. If you can make mistakes, you can make wrong decisions, you can be one that today think and believe this is the right path, but you need to learn how to move pretty quickly away from that path.